Renicorns, it's Ellie. Wait, did y'all get that? Hey, Renicorns, it's Ellie. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. This is not going how I expected at all. Okay, so first of all, I wasn't expecting my package to get delivered today. Especially this one. I thought it was gonna be like at least a week. I don't even think it was a week since I ordered it, which is really cool. Yes, box. Yep. It's not a puzzle, but it kind of is. When you think about it that way. Yes. Then this is the unboxing of Cashflow board game. Get out of the rat race. So, like, some of you guys may not, like, the thing is, like, I'm almost scared to make this video because folks, like, got these strong opinions now about everybody. And so, I am a pretty big fan of Robert Kiyosaki. I think he's, like, one of the OGs of, like, you know, like, the quote-unquote guru people. But, like, he's a cool dude, though. I don't see what the issue is right now with him. Like, I see the issue sometimes because he's, like, y'all gotta remember, he is from Hawaii, okay, and he was in the military, so y'all know, like, coming from the vacation place of the planet, and then, being in the government stuff, it makes you think differently, so he's been through a lot. I like his content on YouTube, it's really, really good. You guys should definitely watch it, but this is still me unboxing, well, unwrapping the box. Shout out to UPS. They were the ones who delivered this. They did a really good job. I only say that because, you know, with the situation going on with quarantine and stuff, the essential workers, they need their props. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so here we go. This is... MJ, are you going to be my assistant today? Alright. So, can you pick this up? Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We open the board like this. Ooh, you see that? Is it pretty? Does it look nice? No, you leave it down. You're a little young to play this, but I just want you to see it. Yep, and this is the instruction manual. Okay, buddy. You're going a little fast. Like I said, this is the instruction manual. Quick start instructions.
But the floor!
On the floor? No, we're not putting it on the floor. We're going to clean up first, and then we might put it on the floor. Maybe. Here the big manual of game instructions. Here is the big manual of game instructions. And here are the what is it called? Are the financial, what do they call it? Financial statements? Yeah. Stop. Leave it alone. Yes. These are the financial statements. Oh, okay. That's just like tax time right there. Okay.
Wow.
And these are the cash ledgers. They were talking about this in one of the videos. I had no idea what they were talking about. I was like, what is a cash ledger? What is that? But this is what it looks like. So it's a lot of, it looks like a lot of P&I. But this is similar setup to Monopoly, very similar, but not with the houses and hotels and stuff. You have the game pieces, you have the dice, and you have the 3 decks of cards. And then you have these larger cards, though. What is this? Okay, so these are the character cards. So this one's a truck driver. What we can do for the rest of this, I guess, I could just go through all the professions and the different details. Okay, so...
This.
No, I'm not gonna give you that right now. You gonna tell my mom on me? He's going to go tell his grandmother that I won't give him the toy piece. He want... Yeah. Anyway. First one's a truck driver. And you your home mortgage is 30. I'll just stop since I do real estate more so. I'm just gonna talk about the mortgages, not so much the salaries and stuff. I might mention the salaries, but his income is 2,500. I'm assuming a month, but his home mortgage is $38,000. So that's like with a mortgage like that. I don't know if that's left over. That's the total value of his home, but that can get you a small rental property here in Memphis. But you could also pay cash and just live there. You don't have to have it as a rental. I'm just saying it's good cash flow. A janitor, your monthly income is $1,600, and your home mortgage is $20,000. An airline pilot, I might not do all of these. There's so many. I don't want this video to be too long.
Darbies?
No. Oh, also, I was mistaken. It's actually 4 decks of cards. These were on top of those, so I can see the last ones. But it's 4 decks of cards for the 4 spaces that are on there. My son is so mad at me for not. Anyway, this dude. Y'all have kids. Well, some of you. I don't know. I'm just gonna go through some of the cool ones that I like. Okay, lawyer. Well, I did the pilot one. I think that was 9,000 something a month. That was a lot of money, but that's not one of my favorite professions. But a lawyer, 7,500 a month, and your home mortgage is 115,000. So that's not too bad. Shoot. Doctor, my sister's in the medical field, so 13,000 a month, 13,200, and home mortgage is 202,000. 202,000, yeah. Police officer, secretary. We're moving past secretary type jobs. We're just gonna skip that one. Nurses are the GOAT. Y'all monies is $3,100, and home mortgage is $47,000. Alright. Teachers are the GOATs too. $3,300 a month, and the home mortgage is $50,000. Engineers are good. Engineers are pretty good. I mean, they're awesome. It's just like, not something I like. I used to want to be an engineer, but then I was like, that's so much. But 4,900 a month, home mortgage 75,000. Business manager. Your profession is a business manager. 4,600 a month, and your home mortgage is $75,000. So yeah, I went through almost all of them. I just skipped a few. What happened?
What happened? Not doing back.
What happened was you gonna mock me while I'm trying to tell you what happened?
What happened?
I'm about to do hair. His hair's in a ponytail with some conditioner in it. Are you just gonna?
Not in it. Not in it. I do it. That's what you did.
Okay. Yeah. So conditioning his hair, and I'm going to braid it. I'm gonna try to do. Stop. I'm going to try to do some cornrows, like just 2 of them for him. I'm gonna try to do like mini cornrows on me too. Maybe like 7. I might be able to get 7 out of here. Yeah, it kind of looks like a puzzle. Here's one last look at the board game itself. And these are the pieces. They look like little clouds, I guess. Huh?
It's a 2-piece.
A 2Bs.
Awesome. This is big 2-piece.
Okay. But yeah, that's it. What you trying to do? You gotta chill out. Okay. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It's okay. It's okay, NJ. Like my page on Facebook, tiaraeli. Follow me on Instagram, RealTalkkWithEli. Follow me on Twitter. I'm getting more active on Twitter, RealTalkWithEl. My TikTok got banned, so I can't tell you to follow me on there. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to get it back or not, since they're trying to ban it in the United States anyway. I'm not even going to bother with the whole VPN and all this stuff because...
Can I get a piece?
Well, you can look at it. Can you read the letters?
G A S H F L O N. Wars.
Oh, that's so good. It says cash flow.
Crash glow.
Good job. Good job, man. Oh, that is so cool. My little man is so smart. He has a whole savings. He has $8 in cash in his piggy bank. And, you know, me and his dad have a savings account for him. But that's the grown-up stuff. He likes to count his money a lot. So, yeah. Yes, you do like to count your money a lot.
Box.
Yes, that's the box it came in. This is the box it came in. This is what the game looks like. So, yeah. I'll get... Oh, okay. Return to sender looking at. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh my god. Okay. So my son, for real, tried to dip with my game. So I got him, and he wasn't paying attention, and he kicked the cup, and it had water in it. So now there's water on the floor, and I asked him to get it up, and he said no, and walked away. I'm just tired. I'm exhausted. Anyway, I got a lot of cleaning to do. We're doing hair, about to take baths. Oh, y'all, I got the Mary Kay like cleansing brush. I'm gonna be using that, give a review on it, see how I like it, let y'all know you should try it. Y'all, oh my gosh, I think I got the massage head too if I'm not mistaken, but shoot, I'm so excited for that. Anyway, bye, Rainicorns.